Momo woke up early today. His heart was full of excitement. Today was zoo day. He packed everything carefully. Momo wanted to be ready for a big adventure.
Wow, look at the big elephant and the happy lion. They're waving at me. The zoo was crowded. Many families had come to see the animals.
Momo saw wild animals he had only seen in books. Big ones, small ones, quiet ones, loud ones.
Momo saw big elephants playing with water. The giraffes were so tall. They touched the sky.
The deer moved softly and calmly.
Suddenly, the lion roared. Momo felt scared.
Some animals were quiet and slow, like snakes. The crocodiles stayed still near the water. Tiny insects worked hard. Birds filled the air with songs. Momo wondered, is this really their home?
No, Momo, this is not their real home. Animals belong in forests and jungles, but many trees and forests were cut down.
Because of cities, roads, and buildings, animals lost their homes. Some animals are kept in zoos for people to see them, and sometimes for money and entertainment.
Momo felt sad.
He wished animals could live freely.
Momo enjoyed the adventure. But he remembered what his parents said.
Momo wanted to feed them, but learned it could harm them.
While eating lunch, Momo thought deeply about animals.
Momo was tired, but his mind was full of thoughts.
You won't believe what I found.
Tell us everything.
And then it went. Animals need forests, just like we need homes.
When we protect nature, we protect ourselves.
If you liked my zoo adventure, tap like, follow me,
And subscribe.
for more fun stories with me.